down like that and get the water out. What's up, Tigers? Starting off my day here at the business school. It's about time for class. I'm about to head inside and get my day started. Just got finished up with my first class of the day. I'm going downtown to have lunch with my buddy Alex. We're about to get some good food in us.
Hey everybody, I'm Alex Evelyn. I'm from Connecticut. I'm in ClemsonLIFE.
So ClemsonLIFE is a program for students with intellectual disabilities. We promote independent living and we promote employment. I was elected president of Volunteers for Life last semester. And it's definitely the best thing I've gotten involved with here at Clemson. I'm here with my guy Gavin. Ooh. We're headed over to Tiger Sharks. You ready, Gavin?
I'm ready.
Oh yeah, here we go. Marco! Introduce yourself, Marco.
Hey everybody, it's Marco Scola here with Clemson Life.
You pumped up for Tiger Sharks?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Tiger Sharks is one of the volunteer opportunities we have in Clemson Life every Wednesday at 4 o'clock. It's such a blast. The students love getting in the pool and swimming.
3, 2, 1.
Love Tiger Shark. I love to swim here with all my friends.
Tiger Sharks is about swimming and the friends.
And I'm with my buddy Edward, doing his best at being here for us.
We have over 600 yearly volunteers, which is amazing to see the amount of students that put in time and hard work to allow for the Clemson Life students to have the best experience possible.
Wait, so what are you gonna say so we don't look so awkward?
Oh, we already started.
What's up everybody? We just finished up Tiger Shark swim, just got a good workout in.
So now we're going to cook some dinner with the Life students. We got some chicken and spaghetti. What's up, Tigers? This is a cooking club that we do once a week on Wednesdays. It's one of the other volunteer opportunities that we have. We're gonna have a little side salad and some bread with it. Anyone wanna cut the bread? Marco? Oh, come stir this up a little bit, Charlie. Cooking Club kind of promotes safe cooking methods in the kitchen and also independent living. How's that sauce looking, Alex? Ooh.
Boom. There's the bread.
Nice. You think it needs a little more cooking? No more cooking? Perfect. Go like up and down like that and get the water out. How hungry are you, Timmy? Are you pretty hungry?
Yeah.
How is it, guys? Good?
Great.
Great, yeah. Timmy, how was the food? It was all you guys. What would you rate it out of 10?
20.
20, hey! Let's go. I hang out with these students almost every day of the week, my entire year. It's amazing how much joy they can bring to your day. Having to graduate next semester, I can look back on and be happy that I made an impact and really just made myself happier as a whole. There's so many ways to get involved. Do as much as you possibly can. Just getting your foot in the door, because once you start doing that, you'll figure out what you really love here on Clemson's campus. I really hope that you guys enjoyed following along a little day in my life and kind of what I'm involved in. I mean, go Tigers.